Today I will show you how to make WordPress theme from scratch. And in this part of the tutorial, we are going to make a static page. So, before you get started, make sure that you have WordPress in your local machine. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is create a new theme folder. So, open WordPress directory theme, WP content, then themes. And here, create a new folder and let's name it custom theme. Open the folder. After that, open terminal and type code space dot to open Visual Studio Code. In order to make the WordPress template system recognize the theme, you need to create two files: index.php and style.css. And here add comment tag and type theme name custom theme, author Ali Mubarak, description this is my custom theme 2020 version 1.0. The next thing we are going to do is include CSS and JavaScript from Bootstrap extension. So open index file and type $. First, we want to add Jumbotron on the top of the page. Title blog and delete those. And here type bg info text center text light. After that, make container then row. And here we want to add two columns. Right column dot call -3, then add navbar. And here write post 1. Copy first nav item and paste it 2 times. Post 2 and post 3. Next, add right column dot call -9 and here add header 1 and link. Type post 1 and add p lorem 100 to generate random text. Copy post 1 and paste it 2 times. Post 2 and post 3. After that, open WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes. So, active custom theme, Then visit the site. Now the static page has been created.